Hey everyone, and welcome back to What Is, the channel where we take complex, interesting, or just plain baffling topics and break them down into bite-sized, digestible knowledge nuggets. Today, we're tackling something that makes you look at a city street and think, I could probably jump that. We're talking about parkour. Is it just people leaping between skyscrapers in action movies? Is it an extreme sport for adrenaline junkies? Or is it simply a really elaborate way to avoid walking around a puddle? Well, the answer, as often is the case, is a little more nuanced than just guy jumps building. Makes cool sound effect. At its heart, parkour is a training discipline using movement developed from military obstacle course training. It involves getting from one point to another in the most efficient and fluid way possible, using only the abilities of the human body. Think of it as your body's operating system, but instead of updating software, you're updating your ability to scale walls and vault railings. The goal isn't just to get over an obstacle, but to integrate the obstacle into your movement, making it almost disappear. The origins of parkour trace back to Georges Hébert's méthode naturelle, a natural training method focused on practical exercises like walking, running, jumping, swimming, and climbing. This was later adapted by Raymond Belle, a French firefighter, into a system for emergency situations. His son, David Belle, is widely credited as the co-creator and founder of modern parkour, along with Sébastien Foucan, who later developed freerunning. Now, this is where it gets a little specific. While often used interchangeably, there's a subtle but important distinction between parkour and freerunning. Parkour traditionally is about efficiency, getting from A to B as quickly and smoothly as possible. Functionality over flair. Freerunning, while sharing the same movement vocabulary, incorporates more aesthetic and acrobatic elements, prioritizing personal expression and creativity. Think of it this way. Parkour is the straight-A student meticulously planning the shortest route through the library. Freerunning is that same student, but they're doing a backflip over a bookshelf on the way to grab their favorite novel. Both are moving, but with different intentions. The philosophy of parkour extends beyond just the physical. It's a mental discipline too. It's about overcoming obstacles, not just external ones like walls, but internal ones like fear, doubt, and physical limitations. It teaches adaptability, quick thinking, and problem solving. A practitioner or tracer, from the French verb tracer, meaning to trace or to draw a path, analyzes their environment, identifies the most efficient path, and then executes it with precision and control. It's a constant dialogue between the body, the mind, and the environment. Common movements in parkour include vaults, like the safety vault or speed vault to get over a railing quickly. Jumps, from precision jumps to land accurately on a small surface to gap jumps over a wider space. Climbing, balancing, and various forms of landings, including the famous parkour roll to dissipate impact forces. That roll, crucial in parkour. You don't just land flat-footed from a significant height unless you want your knees to send you a strongly worded letter of resignation. But before you decide to recreate that incredible roof-to-roof leap you saw in a movie, it's vital to understand that parkour emphasizes safety, progression, and responsible training. Tracers start small, developing strength, balance, and technique on low obstacles before gradually increasing the difficulty. It's not about reckless abandon. It's about calculated risk, respect for one's own capabilities, and a deep understanding of physics and body mechanics. A true tracer respects their body, their training partners, and the environment they're moving through. They're not out to damage property or endanger themselves or others. So, the next time you see someone seemingly effortlessly flow over a bench or scale a low wall, remember, it's not just random acrobatics. It's a disciplined art form, a philosophy of movement, and a profound way to interact with the world around them. It's about seeing possibility where others see only barriers. And there you have it, parkour, an incredibly dynamic and mentally rigorous discipline that's much more than just jumping around. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of Tracers, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more What Is videos, and let us know in the comments below what you want us to explain next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.